Hey guys, Mr. Gibson here. I'm going to show you guys how to graph linear functions again. So we have three sorts of examples here. The first being where an x and y intercept are given to you. Okay. So here x-intercept is 2, y-intercept is 3. So I'm just going to simply go over here to the x-intercept at 2, go up here to the y-intercept at 3. And I'll try to draw as straight of a line as I possibly can, and then we're done. Okay. You guys can try the next one, and I'll do it for you guys real quickly. Y-intercept of -4, x-intercept of -4. Not a great line, but it'll work. Okay, the next two are in slope-intercept form, okay? And if we remember, this is in y equals mx plus b form, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So if I look at number 3 right here, well, that's 1x plus 1, because if there's no x right there, there's no number right there, then the number's 1. That means our slope is 1, okay? And our y-intercept is 1 as well. So I'm going to start with the y-intercept of 1. Okay. The slope of 1 means 1 over 1, so that means I need to go up the y direction 1 and to the right the x direction 1. So rise of 1, run of 1. So 1 like that. And then I'm just going to simply connect my dots like that, and that's good enough for what we're doing here. Give you guys a chance on the next one. Alright, so what you guys should get on this next one is that the slope is -1 over 2, okay? And the y-intercept is 1, okay? So here's our y-intercept of 1 right here. So that means that we're going to go down, because of negative, the y-axis, or the y direction 1, and go to the right 2 in the x direction, or a rise of -1 and a run of 2. So down 1 over 2, like that. Okay. Another way to look at this too is I could say, okay, I'm going to go up 1 and to the left 2, because left is negative. And as you guys can see, I've got a line that I can form right there. Just showing you guys that there's two different ways of doing it. Alright, 5 and 6. These are where we are in standard form, or maybe not even necessarily standard form for number 5, but something that's similar. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the x and y intercepts in order to graph this. So what we got to do first is to set x equal to 0, because that'll give us our y-intercept. So if I set x equal to 0, that'll be 7 times 0. And I'll make it -15 equals -3y. So the x basically goes away. I'm going to solve for y. Divide -3 on both sides. And I get -15 divided by -3 is 5. So y equals 5. So let me go ahead and plot that point for you. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set the y equal to 0. Okay. And that's in order to find the x-intercept. So I'll make this 7x minus 15 equals 0. Okay. Means I'm going to add 15 on both sides. Get 7x equals 15. And divide 7, and then I get x equals 15 sevenths, or about 2, So on the x-axis, I'm going to be around 2 right there. Okay. So I'm going to connect these. Oops, not a great line. I'm going to connect those points. You guys can use a ruler to do a little better. Okay. This next one right here, a little tougher, okay, even though it looks easy. if you set each one of those x and y equal to 0, you're just going to get 0. So that means it's going to cross to the origin. Okay. So I'm actually going to have to make this one into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to switch this around and say y plus x equals 0. Okay, it's a legal move. And I'm going to subtract x on both sides, and we get y equals negative x. So that means I have a slope of -1, so I'll go down 1 over 1, or up 1 to the left 1. Connect those dots, and that's our line right there. Okay, thanks for your attention.